Hey everyone, it's Brett Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. I want to give you some tips on how to water your yard properly through these hot dog days of summer. Now, this is just my opinion. You're going to get a lot of opinions about this. I think that my method is good for conserving water, keeping your lawn healthy, and reducing the chances of fungus through the season by watering less frequently. So what I do is I actually water for longer periods of time. I start out with about 45 minutes per zone and 3 times a week and go from there. You can adjust up and down from there. But what that'll do, and actually water your yard early in the morning, right before the sun comes up. That way it's not so windy. The sun's not going to evaporate the water off, so it's going to soak deeper into the ground and train the roots to chase after that water, and it won't evaporate away. So you're getting a lot more efficiency out of your water. But it's also going to allow the yard to dry out in between waterings. I'm sorry, not the yard. It's going to allow the surface to dry out. Because the surface, if it stays damp, that's where fungus can start developing, which is a turf disease, and it can damage the yard. So infrequent watering, but for longer durations, will water deeper into the ground, conserve water. It'll keep the yard healthy, meaning when we do finally get some cooler temperatures, it'll bounce back and it'll be strong. Our cool season grasses that we have in our area, they like to go dormant just about no matter how much we water. Now, you can water the snot out of your yard and keep it green if that's what you really want. You're probably going to run into some funguses and possibly some other issues as well. I don't necessarily recommend it. If you absolutely have to have a golf course all season long, then you're probably going to need to water more than what I'm recommending. But if you want to keep your yard healthy and disease-free and save money on water, start out with those less frequent times, but water deeply. You want the water to go deep into the ground. So 45 minutes, it depends on what kind of sprinklers you have too. If you've got the rotary kind, this is the ones what I'm talking about, is the ones that go back and forth. That's the 45 minutes per zone. If you have the fan type, and a lot of yards will have both, but if you have the fan type, that they just pop up and they spray a fan out onto the yard in the same spot, so they're watering the entire area for the whole time they're on. Those can usually be cut down by about half, so 20 minutes or so in those areas. But that's my guidance. If you have any questions about this, give us a shout. Thanks so much.